Hey guys, welcome to Bonus Wheel Spaces on the video channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about it is safe to run 12mm wheel spacers on your new Mercedes. Let's go. In fact, wheel spacers, good or bad, determines the safety of spacers. There are only quality products that can ensure driving safety. BONOSS has been designing and manufacturing wheel spacers since 2007. Professional production experience and excellent product quality makes us confident to provide a super long warranty survive up to 10 years. BONOSS has more than 66 SGS and TUV test reports and achieved excellent results. You don't have to worry about buying non-genuine BONOSS products because each box will have an anti-counterfeiting code. You can quickly check the authenticity through our official website. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.